In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set default columns for forecasting deal table in Hubspot. To do that, first head over to your Hubspot global home. And for this case, click on Sales and click on Forecast. With this, you can see your deal stage, deal columns, and rate. I'll just use the default cast type, and here we have this. So for this case, just click on the deal table that you want to edit. We have in here our deal table. You can customize the columns right here and change some things available. You can select the default columns and change right here the forecast category as well as the deal stage, and changing right here your submission schedules, your details, as well as your forecast types. Save this as default if you want it to be default option. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.